and good day to all of you, and welcome to Bong and Ting's YouTube channel. And for today's video, I want to do unboxing again on our Samsung Galaxy A31. Again, Samsung Galaxy A31. So, before I will open it, this one is color black. And it is ROM 128 GB, RAM 6 GB. This is made in Indonesia. Here, yes, you can order this in the mall or in Lazada, and we order it for how much does it cost? Around 12,000. 10,000 pesos sa tao lang. Sa person. Sa person may gano'n. So, this is it. And, wow, nice. Wow, so ganda. So, it has an Infinity U display. This is a quad camera. On-screen fingerprint. Quad is means 4. 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see it? Clear? Yeah. So, may ano pa siya. Hindi ko muna tanggalin, right? Hindi pa siya na-charge. Charge this for at least 2 hours as usual. I think I can remove this.
Ayun na.
Maya na lang. And this is the, of course, yung charger. Yes. And what's this? Earphone. Maganda yun. Okay lang. Not that much. Wala siyang, mas gusto ko yung foamy or yung soft. Maybe it's soft naman, but I don't know. I haven't tried. And this is the charger. Yes. Why I can't see the manual? Is this fake? Char lang. Then there is a pin para sa SIM. Yes. And the ito pala yung manual. Manual. Ito. Basta guys, ito yung manual. Okay. This is the the manual. And yes. Warranty card. Yes, you put your name. And this is the
clear
case. And na-on ko naman siya. Is it okay if I'll remove it? How to remove it from here, right? Is it okay with you? Actually, this is not my phone. This is my husband's phone. Kasi he bought Realme. Is it Realme? Xiaomi last year. And now it's Carbon. Carbon is an Arabic word for, what is Carbon? It's like it's destroyed. It's destroyed. Yes. Yan. Ito siya. Wala pa siya, hindi pa siya na set up. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you don't, then don't like it. But anyway, please subscribe, and if you have any comment or suggestion, please comment below for suggestion. Also, you can comment or you can type in your suggestion or anything. And thank you for watching. Bye.